You've seen those slick AI videos online and thought, I could totally do that. Only, your version looks like a PowerPoint from 2007 had a baby with a stock photo. Today, I'll show you how to make AI videos that actually look like you paid someone expensive, without touching a camera, without editing for 10 hours, and without selling your soul to yet another subscription you'll forget to cancel. Here's the thing. Making an AI video isn't about pushing a button and praying. It's about thinking like a director with a robot film crew. Your AI tools are the unpaid interns who can create magic, but only if you give them proper direction. Treat AI like Google, and you'll get something bland and forgettable. Treat it like your junior creative team, and suddenly it's pitching ideas, writing scripts, and doing post-production while you sit there, coffee in hand, pretending you're vision boarding. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write scripts in your brand voice. Give it your tone, your audience, and your call to action up front. Think of it as onboarding your new writer. I'll give you an example. Write a 90-second TikTok script in my voice that explains how AI can replace a video editor with humor, 3 bullet points, and a mic drop ending. Skip the awkward mic setup. Tools like 11 Labs or Murph give you natural voices, yes, even sarcastic ones. Pro tip: train the voice to match your pacing so it doesn't sound like a GPS giving directions. Use tools like Pictory, Runway, or CapCut with templates. Add stock B-roll from Storyblocks or Envato, or go all in with AI visuals from Midjourney or DID. You want movement every few seconds, because static shots scream slideshow, and we're not in 2010 anymore. Think CGOI. Concept. Generate, organize, improve. Concept. Define your goal and audience. Generate. Use AI to create script, visuals, and voice. Organize. Structure everything into your timeline. Improve. Add human tweaks, humor, pacing, little details that make it feel alive. AI gets you 80% there. That last 20% is your edge. Mistakes to avoid. 1. Dumping prompts with zero context, such as, make me a video. 2. Overloading with effects. If it looks like a rave flyer, start over. 3. Ignoring audio quality. Bad sound kills good visuals faster than you can say, skip ad. Here's the real win. Once you've built your AI video workflow, you can crank out daily content without breaking a sweat. And if you're strategic, you're not just making videos, you're building assets that sell, rank, and work for you while you're, having sushi somewhere. So, yes, you can make AI videos without selling your free time on eBay. Start with the right mindset, build the system once, and then let your robot crew do the heavy lifting. If you found this useful, hit like so YouTube knows it's worth showing to more people. Drop a comment if you want me to break down specific AI tools next, and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's video. Because the people who don't, they'll still be manually editing at 2 a.m. while you're already onto your next idea.